Henry, on the right, the white lad. In December 2025, Henry was on his way home when he came across Vikram Digwa, who then took out his Kapan, which they say isn't a knife. Just Google it. He took out his knife and he stabbed Henry in the chest, puncturing his lung. He inflicted other knife wounds on Henry. Henry had knife wounds on the back of his legs because he tried to escape. When the police arrived, Henry was on the floor. Henry said 9 times, "I can't breathe." He kept repeatedly telling the officers that he'd been stabbed. And the police response to Henry was, "I don't think so, mate." And he was handcuffed. So the last words that Henry heard was his rights being read to him by the police. They didn't give Henry any help for 3 minutes. We want to know if those 3 minutes could have saved his life. Vikram here, who was arrested for murder. He was not handcuffed when he was arrested. He was not handcuffed at any point at all. In fact, the police let him go to the kitchen to choose his food. Again, no handcuffs. Whilst in custody, obviously the police know what said during phone calls. Vikram's family told him to say it was self-defense. Vikram's mother, who also attended the scene, she removed the knife, the Kapan, from the scene. When she was arrested for assisting Vikram in murdering Henry, she was never handcuffed at any point. In fact, she seems to escape the media attention. But they were both found guilty. Vikram was found guilty and he's been sentenced today for 21 years. Vikram is currently 23, so he'll be 44 when he's released. So he'll have a chance at a life, something that he denied Henry the right to when he chose to murder him. One of the officers involved, because 3 attended, one of the officers involved, the court suspects that she left the job before she could be interviewed by an independent team that investigates police conduct. The body cam footage has still not been released. The British government, when the words "I can't breathe" were last uttered, the current Prime Minister took a knee for him. But he hasn't, despite it being brought up in Parliament, the Prime Minister hasn't spoken about Henry. He hasn't use the fact that he's a Prime Minister to help Henry's family in getting the body cams footage released. There's no protests going on around the world for Henry. And why is the white person that instantly, in this situation, why is the white person instantly believed to be the guilty party despite obvious injuries to him, to his body? No family should have to go what Henry's family are going through. He was just 18 years old. No, and imagine hearing your son, your brother or cousin, or imagine their last few minutes on this earth were spent bleeding and in pain and not being believed and not shown any empathy or kindness. Would you not be angry too? Please, wherever you are in the world, please join the UK in peacefully protesting until these body cams are released, and everybody, regardless of status, is held accountable for their part in Henry's murder. Thank you.